No, that's not a good timer. No. 3 on 5 timer.
What?
I won 1, 10, 5, you won 1. It doesn't make sense.
Seems like Daddy's got a video camera on it, so I guess we have to keep going.
Did you lose it?
He pretends like he lost him.
It's in that ditch. It's a ditch there, and the mouse went in. Don't lift it. The mouse will come in eventually. Wait.
Should we help poor Henry?
Huh?
Or should we let the mouse really go? Mouse is probably not dead yet.
No, it's hiding.
You think it will die though?
Oh, Henry will kill it.
No, but you think it's gonna die if Henry doesn't catch it?
Probably not. Henry, this is boring.
Yeah.
He's just being too.
Oh, he started. He's ready to jump.
Oh, that mouse comes out, it's screwed. Oh, it's stupid. Why would it come out? Did you lose it? He's blind. Oh, did he get it before it went in? Stupid mouse. Does it not want to survive?
He knows he's screwed.